welcome back to Saneauto. I'm very grateful to see you're back here for another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly boost off or charge a Prius. And at the end of the video, I'm going to reveal something stupid I did the very first time I ever tried to boost off a Prius. And I'm going to reveal to you what the next video is and show you the parts for that one. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos. Now, if you've left a Prius sitting long enough for grass to grow up all around it, the battery might be dead. So check this out. The first obstacle you're going to have to overcome is getting into the vehicle if it's locked. Because if it's locked and the battery's dead, you can't just press the button and unlock the doors. It won't work. But here is something that will work. First of all, you're going to start, if you know that there is a manual key in here, you're going to start trying to pull it out and it won't come out. You have to know that there's a trick to it. There's a little black thing here that you probably can't see even on camera. So let's get this where you can. And you're going to have to press it in near the top. And then the key will come out. Look at that. There's a key in there. Check that out. If you don't press up here, it won't come out. Press right there and voila. You have a key. And that goes right here. And you can turn the key just like a normal car. Left locks, to the right unlocks. Okay, once you're in there, once you've unlocked it, then you can go to the back. Once you've unlocked the car, now you can open the hatch. Then you can start removing all this stuff because it's in the way. Got this big tray here. It's got to come out. Maybe full of spare parts and stuff in case of emergency. Then let me make sure you can see this. Right here. Boom! There's a battery. Lift that up for connecting to the positive, and here connected to the negative. But wait! You don't even have to do that. Let me show you why. If you don't want to pull all this stuff out, you don't even want to open up the trunk lid, there's another way. You can unlock the door. You can pop the hood. As soon as you pop the hood, take the lid off of the fuse box, set that aside, and look for a red cover. On this third generation, the red cover is right here. On some of the other generation Priuses, there's a bigger red cover over here. Now this has a release. You got to push it this way and grab the little red cover and lever it over. Be careful. You do not want to touch that metal piece right there with your fingers. You do, however, want to touch it with your jumper cables or your charger cables. You want to pay attention to which side of the cables you have, because the side that goes to the actual cable is what you want to touch, that metal piece right here. And as you're going for it, be careful if you've got some bare wire. Don't touch your jumper cables when you're jumping anything. And above all, don't touch that metal piece because you could be, it'll bite you. Boom. Then the negative cable, you can either connect it to the engine over here somewhere, or there is a nut right here for the strut, upper strut mount. You can connect right there. Just don't touch this to this. And you can charge that battery, this little battery that's way back here, through this connection right here without ever even seeing the battery. Isn't that neat? If your Prius is different and you're not sure, look under the cover and you'll see something like this. See the big positive insignia? That gives you an idea of where your jump start location is in the fuse box, or your charge location in the fuse box. There is one more thing I'd like to mention. I do prefer going through the trouble of opening this up and connecting directly to the battery if the battery is down a lot. Like if it's been sitting here for a while like this one and completely drained, and I charge it from right here at the source. Instead of sending the charge through that all the way through the electrical system, it just seems better to go right to the source and safer. What would you like to add to this video? Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Any ideas, suggestions, comments, put them in the comment section. Now, the stupidest thing I ever did on a Prius was the first time I ever had to boost one off. I didn't know about this connection up here. So I unlocked the door, and then I went in the back and I dug all that stuff out of the back and put the charger on the battery and waited for it to charge up so that I could open the hatch. When what I could have done was unlock the door and hook the charger up to this, and then I would have had power to open up the hatch. And I wouldn't have had to dig back there to dig everything out to get to the battery. What's the silliest mistake you've ever made on a Prius? Please put that in the comments below. Now, the charging I'm doing here, I've got it way down on 4 amp, which is about the slowest charge I can do on this charger, and connected directly to the battery, because I like to give the gentlest, slowest charge I can on a battery that's been drained all the way dead. And I like to charge it right at the battery. And for the reveal of the next video, we've got the Toyota Camry and a brand new air conditioner compressor. So till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.